Today's the day. We're harvesting radishes.
I'm just gonna use a plastic bowl because I don't have a basket yet, guys. Okay, I don't even know where to start. I've never harvested anything before. This is my first harvest. You guys are watching my first harvest. Okay, I'm just gonna do one of these. Oh my God. I did that. Oh, there's a little baby. Oh, look at that. Got another big one. Oh my God. Like, let's count what we got. A bug just flew out of there. 2, 5, 8, 15, 20. Ay, Dios mío. 22, 24, and 25. Ah! I have 25, guys. I have 25 radishes. I'm so proud.